Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Post Affiliate Pro affiliate earnings, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Post Affiliate Pro affiliate earnings, begin by logging into your Post Affiliate Pro account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Reports section in the menu. Click on Reports to view your earnings and other relevant data. Check your total earnings to confirm that you have funds available for withdrawal. Next, look for the Payments option in the main navigation menu. Click on Payments to access the payment settings and options. Review the available payment methods listed. Options may include bank transfer, PayPal, or other methods depending on your region. Select your preferred payment method. If you choose bank transfer, ensure you have entered your bank details correctly. If you opt for PayPal, make sure your email address is accurate. After selecting your payment method, check the withdrawal amount. You may need to specify an amount if you do not wish to withdraw all your earnings. Once everything is in order, confirm your withdrawal request. Submit your withdrawal request. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. Withdrawals may take some time to process, so be patient. Check your email for any notifications regarding the status of your withdrawal. Once processed, the funds will appear in your chosen account. If there are any issues, contact Post Affiliate Pro support for assistance. Keep track of your earnings and withdrawals for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.